topic is information. When I talk about this information word, in the era of information technology, it will be very apt to say that this is the one thing which we understand properly, then our life as well as our work will become very smooth and we will be able to guide our children properly. As a teacher, I am also a part of teaching, and you are a teacher, and even you are a principal or a lecturer or a professor, we all teach our students. So fundamentally, unless we have gathered proper informations, we will not be able to deliver much. So here the information gathering is, I have divided the information into three different sources. The first source is, which we all neglect, is history of the country or the history of human civilization. These are the two main sources. This is the one main source from where we can draw a lot of information and pass it on to the next generation. The second one is what our sense organs gather and give it to us to process it and then utilize it. And the third one is just you press the button and you have the information, is your internet today. I have just segregated the internet separate from all other sources because people are today making it their breakfast, their lunch and their dinner and whatnot. So when we talk about this information, because our countrymen, what I have observed in my last 40 years, most of them are not aware about the country's history because they don't like knowing anything about the past. But my question is, if you don't know about your past history of the country, how you will build up your country today? Because all your education is not mere degree and certificate. When you take your degree and certificate and you come to perform in life as a teacher, as an engineer, as a doctor or as a pilot or whatever performance you want to deliver in the work sphere, you have to have the knowledge of your country. Without knowing your country, without knowing the history of your country, your civilization, how you are going to interpret things which in the present and as well as for the future, right? Because you will be one person who will be totally in dark. Let us take this pandemic which has come in our life as a blessing in disguise. Why do I say this? Because a great information we have drawn from this. The greatest information that we have drawn is, we were believing that all the American or the Western country people are well equipped to deal with any kind of disease. But suddenly we came to know that the more people died is only in the Western world where the medical facility was far superior than ours. So now everybody will tell, now ours is also increasing. There is no increasing compared to anybody. We hardly have about what you call 4.5 lakhs live cases now. And for your information today I am telling you, we will have not more than 2%, and that also will reduce further to 1.5, the death rate will fall. What is the reason behind it? There is one peculiar reason, our lifestyle, our habits, which we have drawn from our ancient people, but some of them don't know who has provided what knowledge they are drawn from where. Hence they just keep on doing, ठीक है भाई उसने किया मैंने भी कर दिया, अगर उसने काढ़ा पी लिया तो मैंने भी पी लिया. It is something like, fun for all of us, but no seriousness. But now world has taken it seriousness, though we have also started following them. Yeah, ठीक है, Hinduism में something is there. What is that? The most important thing is, I always go to every institute and ask, but ये कैसे Western country people, they say they are great people. What way they are great than us? There is not a single incident to prove that they could even read 10. They only know 9. Without Aryabhat, there is no 10 for them. So they were proclaiming themselves to be big heroes without knowing the zero. And we were knowing the zero and we just behaved as if we don't know anything. Without your zero, where is your space? Where is your cosmic world? Where is your so-called NASA? Everything is dumbfounded. Yes, I look very odd. People say we Indians are fanatic, we start claiming about Aryabhat and various. Every theory we have derived. Very nicely Vivekananda once said that you look at the gravitation today and you say that apple गिरा है जमीन पे इसलिए इसको gravitation बोल दिया, but as if gravitation was not there earlier. We have to give our children proper information and we have to gather those information for them and make it available to them from the history of this country. And this write-up, which if you want I will give you, Abdul Kalam personally gave me when I met him about maybe a decade back, and that piece of paper I keep it with me, it is free for all, and he very clearly says when this obsession will come out of our body and we start speaking that we are Indians and we believe that we have more knowledge. That now we are proving. Today one video is very viral that the drug which our country has supplied to them to take care of pandemic was the only drug that saved the human life. And it is now today viral. It is coming from USA and they are claiming that they were correct. Some idiots in between, some Sanjay Gupta or somebody gives the wrong information. So information, unless it is right and it is not handled properly, then it creates problem. I talk about my second point because we hardly get 15-20 minutes to speak, so I can't go in detail on anything. Our sense organs, our children should be taught how to handle our sense organs. Here I would not like to keep Swami Vivekananda's photo in everybody's house but without teaching what he said. He is very nicely explained in books, small books. They don't even cost 3 rupees, 2 rupees, 4 rupees or 5, even not more than 20 rupees. His parents can read the entire 9 volumes of his biography, but the children would not like to read. So give us the bits of it. He says very nicely that if you treat yourself as the rider of the body and your mind is a what you call ring that is connecting between your thinking and your sense organs, then your entire interpretation of life will change. Let me give you an example. A horse we tie with a belt and hold that belt in our hand, and that belt we pull up and back and forward so that the horse takes the different speeds. Suppose you imagine you have a what do you call a chariot in which you have 5 horses, like your 5 sense organs, and each of these horse goes in their own direction without being controlled. What will happen to the chariot? It will break into pieces because it will go into different directions. Here we have to tell children that sense organs are to be subordinate of their manasa. It should not be, manasa should not be in the control of the sense organs. Indriyas should not control the children. They are so much crazy. Abhi pizza khana hai to pizza khana hi khana hai. It tastes the tongue. You have to tell him that tongue is tasting here, but not the real taste of the food is enjoyed by the body. There are various such aspects which sense organs creates complication. We have to tell the children. We need not tell them not to eat. We have to educate them first. Then they will make a choice what is good for them. Sense organs gives various complications. One of them is now children are addicted to the mobile because now online teachings have started. I am praying God after October 1st there should be no online teaching in any school. You may not like me, though I am speaking online today. I am utilizing available information to pass an information that online teaching is very harmful. It is to an extent only it is good, but it is not going to make the children's life better. It should be a tool in the hands of the preacher or a teacher, but it should not be the only source of teaching. I have seen many students today calling me and telling me what to do, things are not happening. We are just getting something. My granddaughter came and told me she got 15 marks, she has passed already the exam. If that is the way everybody will pass the examination, that all the mothers who were 70 years old should be given postdoctoral degree. They were better teachers because they managed people like us. And they nurtured all of us like that. The third one is internet. If this Google Maharishi is not made to use properly, the children will land into a mess. There are many information in Google is wrong. Many information, they are not right. What we need is to understand is, they should be allowed to use internet, and if you train along with the parents how to use internet, The information they gather will be perfect and right. Here, internet should become a teacher for them, not their boss. Now for everything, they are taking a drawing they have to make, they are putting that internet on, and the drawings they are seeing there and making in the paper. So are we going to tell that tomorrow we are going to close all our institution in the world and there will be no institution, sab ghar mein baitho aur pencil paper le lo? Is it that we are going to educate? Let's not do that mistake. Let us teach them things in a proper way. Because some country don't have a population of 130 crores, they will try to depend on the population of internet only. They will not depend on the population of humans they have. Today we have proved the world wrong when our population started delivering it. I can tell you one more thing. There was a great poet who was talking to a student, and a student in his conversation, you see, he sees here very beautifully. स्टूडेंट और टीचर की ये संभाषण है, जरा आप ध्यान से इसे सुनिएगा। सर, तुम्हारे साथ रहकर अक्सर मुझे लगा कि हम असमर्थताओं से नहीं, संभावना से घिरे हुए। प्लीज मार्क माय वर्ड, असमर्थताओं से नहीं। वी आर नॉट डीलिंग विथ आवर शॉर्टकमिंग्स, इन फैक्ट वी आर डीलिंग विथ आवर पॉसिबिलिटीज। ये टीचर का काम है, और ये स्टूडेंट टीचर को बोलता है, देखो मेरे को कितना कॉन्फिडेंस मिला है आपसे। हर दीवार में द्वार बन सकता है अगर टीचर मेरे साथ है तो। हर दीवार में द्वार बन सकता है अगर टीचर मेरे साथ हो, और हर द्वार से मैं पहाड़ को निकाल सकता हूं अगर टीचर मेरे साथ हो। यह संभाषण देखिए, इसमें पॉसिबिलिटी से देखिए। कहता है कि दरवाजे से पहाड़ को निकाल दे। अगर वो इंटरनेट पे बैठा रहे तो वो भी इंटरनेट की तरह हो जाएगा, उसकी पॉसिबिलिटीज खत्म हो जाएगी, उसकी क्षमताएं खत्म हो जाएगी। हमें उसकी क्षमता को उभारना है। वी हैव टू एजुकेट अवर चिल्ड्रन एंड मेक देम वेरी स्ट्रांग बाय गिविंग प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन। मैं 20 मिनट में आपको ये सब समझा नहीं सकता हूं, 3.5 घंटा का ये कोर्स है। और ये हम यूनिवर्सिटी और जाके इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में बात करते हैं तो बच्चे खड़े खड़े बोलते हैं यस हम ये काम करना है। तो फिर भी मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूं ताकि आप शुरू करें, मैं अकेला ना करूं, हम सब मिलकर करें। एक और बात कहता है वो, शक्ति अगर सीमित है तो हर चीज अशक्त भी है। भुजाएं अगर छोटी है तो सागर भी सिमट सकता है। सामर्थ्य केवल इच्छा का दूसरा नाम है। सी व्हाट ए ब्यूटीफुल वर्ड। व्हाट इज सामर्थ्य? सामर्थ्य क्या है? जो डिजायर का दूसरा नाम है, जिसको हम इनकलकेट करके हम डेवलप करते हैं। जीवन और मृत्यु के बीच जो भूमि है वह नीति नहीं, वह मेरी कर्म भूमि है। ये बच्चों को हम सिखाएं। We teach our children such good things and tell them, look at the sky that shines so bright, giving you a call to reach the greatest height. Open your tearful eyes, feel the pleasant great morning every day. Oh my dear students, we believe the unbelievable, that yes, the dawn of a new era has started for you, because every morning is a new day. What is knowledge? Knowledge is the ability to interpret what is right and wrong. Knowledge is the ability to understand what is not good for me, that is not good for all. Knowledge is not selfishness. Knowledge is not acquisition of wealth.
So we can't hear you.
Knowledge is not acquisition of wealth. Knowledge is not amassing your credibility in the social metaphor. Absolutely not. Tell me the names of those great people who are popular after 10 years of a demise, all those top industrialists. But look at that Narendra Nath who lived 39 years. He is popular after death another 100 and odd years. And he is still going to be popular for the next 200 years. Look at Adi Shankaracharya. It is 1000 years passing but still he is popular. The knowledge will never die. This is all material creation. Tomorrow the internet will also go away. Some other dunternet will come, some dumpernet will come, or some bumpernet will come. The mouse which has gone out of our home, it has come on our table as a mouse. Things will change. Things has to change. So information has to be so much available to children, not erratically. Somebody, parents and teacher, sit together and guide them to convert into knowledge. Then only it is utilizable. Otherwise, information just gathering, they are gathering so many information in YouTube. I am seeing them from Elsa to Gilsa, whatever they do, they only buy dresses from the shop. They are forgetting all that good things they can do from that. It is a time that we all realize that Swami Vivekananda like people were not fools who gave us certain extraordinary knowledge, that we have to raise ourselves to the level of good thinking, possibilities, be bold. He has created those ideas in us. Why we have to be bold? Because we have to break from the old barriers and come to the new era. I have one small story to tell Geetaji. There were one pair of husband-wife and another pair of husband-wife and their one grown-up son were traveling together. They were going in a train. When the train, out of the window, lot of trees and other hillocks passes through, this elderly boy who is with their parents, he used to see, Mama, see how beautiful is that tree. Look at that hill, it's so beautiful. Look at that water pond, it's so beautiful. The opposite pair who were sitting, they were telling, इतना बड़ा हो गया, इस गधे को अभी पेड़ दिख रहा है, इसको खिड़की से, इसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, कैसे माँ बाप है? They have not given any proper teaching. They could not wait for some more time for this boy to continue this, and then simply said to the parent, अरे क्या है? आपने इसको पेड़ के बारे में नहीं बताया? इसे किसी अच्छे डॉक्टर को दिखाओ, लगता है इसका दिमाग जो है बीमार हो गया. You know what the parents did? You are correct, sir. We have shown to the doctor, sir. Yesterday only his eyes got restored, sir. He has come out of his blindness, sir. That's why he is enjoying that tree. All educated people have a bad habit of judging without understanding. Thank you very much. Pass on to Geetaji.